Take a look at these Stealtho office wheelchairs, office chair wheels that are big upgrades from a standard office chair wheel. So my office chair is pretty nice and the wheels on it are okay, but these are a whole nother level. Let's take a look at these. These are the polyurethane wheels that you'd have on like rollerblades. Nice bearings and swivel bearings. This is all, I don't know if that's steel, it's probably steel. And it's powder coated, so it looks great. Has a brake, so good stopping power. These are gonna do great over cords and carpets and desk pads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So this is gonna work with both your 5 and 6 wheeled chairs. Should go on with no tools. Just replace the ones that you've got on there. I want to thank Stealtho for sending us these to check out. Hope this helps.